Roadside Grill. They have a whole lot of different things. Lots of different things, and we're gonna try this hamburger. It was $13 for the bag of chips and a hamburger. Oh man, it really is good. It came really fast. That's really good. Fresh ingredients. I would recommend it. Check out Auntie's Roadside Grill. I came here on a whim, and I'm really glad I did. What do you think, Margaret? You haven't tried it yet. Whoa. That's a legit bite. I'm a huge fan of the Shake Shack, and I really think that this competes and actually might be better than the Shake Shack.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? No? I think it is. It's really soft. Really good. I put barbecue sauce on it, so like I did a hamburger with barbecue sauce. And like, I don't know, the barbecue sauce is really good. I think from now on I'm gonna put barbecue sauce on all my hamburgers. It's really good.